Snowflakes dancing in the midnight air, wrapping gifts with love and tender care. Lights are twinkling like our hopeful dreams. In this moment, it's just you and me. Beneath the mistletoe, our hearts collide. Whispers of our wishes we can't hide. Stars above reflect a love so bright. In your arms I feel everything's right. Feel the beats, snowflakes fall. Our love's the greatest gift of all. Wrapped up tight in ribbons of gold. With you my heart will never grow cold. Fireplace crackling inside our souls. Melodies and warmth keep the cold at bay. In your eyes the world feels whole. Forever's just a heartbeat away. Holiday cheer in the songs we sing. Your laughter's like a sweet jingle bell ring. From candy canes to our midnight kiss, every moment of Christmas feels like this. Feel the beats, snowflakes